Hi guys, how are you? This is our YouTube channel. This is everyone's channel. Cook and enjoy recipes. And this is Dr. Jaskiran. Today, I come up with the recipe of green grams that we pluck fresh from the plant. I have also uploaded its recipe when it is at its dried stage. Now we will make a fresh green grams, and previously we have made black grams, and this time we will make green grams that we have plucked fresh from the plant. For this I have made certain preparations. I have shahi zeera with me, and I am putting it into the oil taken in the pan, and I have also taken certain coriander seeds, and I am also putting it into the oil. So by the time they are in the oil, we are going to put the tadka preparations. Let me put that. For this guys, I have taken the mixture of onion, garlic and ginger. I have ground it into a grinder like this grinder. I have ground it into this. These are the extensions of the grinder, and it can be easily available in the market. Now at this stage put some salt so that we can easily saute it and it can be cooked in no time. At this stage put half a teaspoon of salt so that we can easily saute it. Now guys, saute it till golden brown. Now guys, tadka has turned golden brown, and I have already put turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of this degi mirch into it, and we will saute it. It will take 5 or 6 more seconds to get it sauteed properly, and then we will add tomato puree that I have made. I have made tomato puree out of 7 or 8 large tomatoes, and I have also put coriander leaves freshly cut and 2 green chilies into it, and then we will add this. Now guys, not thinking too much, let's add tomato puree to it with gentle hands. Now shake it thoroughly. Now this is I have already told in many of my recipes that this is moreover a tiresome process, as it is a difficult task to cook the tomatoes properly in no time. So it will take some of your time to cook the tomatoes properly, so that it will add taste to the dish and add delight to it. So let's prepare it properly by keeping a lid on the pan, and let's take it into the whole mixture, so that the masala is so good to eat and the recipe will be fine. So guys, we are at this stage in the saute when the oil oozes out of the side of the container. So that is why we have added potatoes. These are 4 large potatoes, and the green beans or green beans that we have taken. So this is you can shake it like this, so that all the whole tadka is merged into the vegetables. Keep the gas on the full mode, and with the gentle movements mix it thoroughly with the tadka. Now bring it boil to a little water, and then transfer the whole ingredients to the pressure cooker for pressure cooking. And guys, I will tell you at this stage itself For the pressure cooking, I have already told you the trick to cook the recipes in no time. Take the water 1 inches high to the level of the vegetables in the pressure cooker, and then pressure cook it for till 1 or 2 whistles, and then simmer the gas and bring the whistle to go down to rest on its own, and then close the gas. And this is the way the beans and this whole sabji is cooked. See guys, you have seen that the level of water is 1 inches high than the level of the sabji, so vegetables, and now pressure cook it for till 1 or 2 whistles, and then bring down the whistle to come to rest on its own, and your beans are properly cooked. So in the final stage, we will add fresh cheese to it, and it will add delight to the dish. This is our final preparation. Thanks. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Now guys, serve this dish with the chapatis and coriander and mint chutney. This tastes very good. So like and subscribe.